This is a double beam UV visible spectrophotometer with 8 cell holder. This is a sample compartment with 8 cell holder, and we count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this holder is for reference. Now we go to turn on the instrument from here, and please note one point: please do not operate this instrument without UPS. Please always use UPS or voltage regulator with this machine. And this is a power cable, and you can insert like this. After that you can switch on from here. Now the instrument is on, and this is a knob for adjusting the brightness of the screen according to you. Now this is the screen, the main screen, and after that this machine will check automatically the internal parts. Like this, you can see the initial COM port. This is right, initial printer right, start kernel right, initial add converter right, positioning right. It checks automatically, and after that the system asks from you for a warm up of 15 minutes, and this is compulsory when you switch on the instrument on the morning, and this is compulsory to give the 15 minutes for a warm up to this machine, but only one time. And after that, when you switch on the instrument the same day, then you can press escape, this button. When you press escape, then the system asks from you for a calibration, system calibration. This is adjusting from here. If you want to yes by these keys, you can change this. This is yes from this, and then press enter. Now the system is calibrated automatically calibrated on all the wavelength. You can see like this. It can checks to all the nanometers and all the wavelength, and it calibrates the system for a better reading. And after the calibration, you can see this is the main screen. This is the main screen after the calibration, and you can see the number 1 is the basic mode. If you want to select the basic mode, you go to the keypad and press 1. When you press 1, you will enter in the basic mode. This is the basic mode for the absorbance, transmission, and the different methods. And this is the F1 button for selecting the unit. You can see F1 unit, and F2 is for mode, and F3 is for factor, and F4 is for standard. And when you press F1, you can select unit from here by the help of these keys: up and down, up and down. By the help of these keys, you can change the unit here. When you press down, the unit will be changed here, and then after selecting the unit, you want to press enter. Now the unit is select. Now this is for the mode. When you press F2, you can select the mode according to your test, the same as the previous. If you want to change this mode, you can press these keys up and down. By the help of these keys you can change the mode. When you press down it gains absorbance, and for selecting the absorbance, after that please press enter. And after that, this is for 0 for a blanking. Please press 0 for blank the solution. When you press 0 it goes blank. You can see from here on this wavelength. If you want to change this wavelength, please go to set lambda. Press set lambda and please input wavelength by the help of keypad. Just example, if you want to test at 5, 4, 6 and after that selecting the 5, 4, 6, please press enter, and this is automatically goes to 5, 4, 6. And after that you can go for a blanking. Please press 0 to blank the solution or a digital water as you like. And for a escape, and if you want to back for the main menu, please press escape. When you press escape, you are entering the main mode. And if you want to change the cell holder, if you want to move like this, please go to the keypad and press this button cell and key in cell. If you want to go in the on the fourth option, you press 4 and press enter. When you press enter, it goes on 4th at the adjustment of the 4th. And the second option is quantitative test. Please press 2 for a quantitative test, and this is same F1 for selecting the unit. Please press up and down to change the unit, and after that when the unit is changed, please press enter. And after that, this is for F2 for a standard curve. When you press F2, it goes to the different methods. Please press F1 to change or select the method as you like according to your test. To change this method, you can change with the help of these keys. This is a cubic feet, this is a square feet, this is a linear feet. When you choose the linear feet, please press enter. Now go to the F2 for choosing the parameters. Please input the parameters according to your test and press enter. Now the input K1 is 1.0000. Please press enter. Now input R. Press enter. Now for F3 is for a standard. Here is edit the number. You can edit the number from here and press enter. This is a quantitative mode. Now When we press escape, you are entered in the main menu, and this is number 3 for wavelength scan, WL scan. Please press 3 to enter in the wavelength scan. This is specially for the graph. This is for the setups. Please press F1. Scan from. You can scan from 1100 or 800 or 900 as you like. We take example from 900 and press enter. Then scan 2. If you want to take a test from 900 to 300, then please enter the 300 nanometers and then please press enter. This is the scan step. If you want to change this scan step, you can change from up and down. And when you choose the scan step 1.0, then press enter, and then scan speed. You can change this scan speed from these keys, up and down. When we press down one time, the speed is high, and after that we press down again, the speed is on slow. Then one time more, the scan speed is on medium. When you choose the scan speed, please go to enter. Then you can see here, this is we selecting from 900 to 300, and the interval time is 1.0. Now when we put the solution or the digital water, first we go for a blank. For blank the solution, please press 0. Please put reference here and here. The digital water at cell 1 and on the reference, and then please shut down the compartment and then go to the cell position at 1 and then press 1 and then enter. Now you can see this is automatic, goes according to the light path. Then please blank the solution with the help of this 0. When you press 0, the solution gets blank. Now we are blanking the digital water by the help of 0. Now the digital water is get blank. Now the blanking is completed. Now we want to take a graph of this, the picric acid. Now please put this on the cell holder 2. Then please shut down the compartment and please go on the cell and go to the 2. Please press enter and now start. Now you can see the graph. Now if you want to save this graph in the memory of this spectrophotometer, please go to the save option, press save. Please input the file name. Just example, we put the file name 786 and then please press enter to save this file. Now the file is saved. When we press escape and generally we want to see this graph again, please go to the wavelength scan by the help of 3 and then please go to this button load and then 786. Please press enter and now you can see the save file. Then please press escape for a main menu. This is a kinetics test. Please press 4 for a kinetic test. By the help of F1 you can set the time. The time is 180 seconds. You can change time according to your test. Please press enter and the delay time. You can also change this delay time according to your test. Press enter. Then the time interval. This is also you can change according to your test. Please press enter. And F2 is for to select the mode. You can change this mode by the help of these keys up and down. When you select ABS mode, the observance, please press enter and then please start the test. And this is a kinetic test and this test is used when you combine the two solutions and you want to measure the time of the reaction. The kinetic mode is used to measure the reaction time of the two solutions. Then press escape. This is the fifth mode, the DNA protein. If you want to go in the fifth mode, DNA protein, you can please press 5 and you can go DNA protein test. Same if you want to go in the sixth, the multi-wavelength, please press 6 and you are entered in the multi-wavelength. And this is the 7 for the utility. Please press 7 and you can change or connect with the PC. If you want to connect with the PC, please press 8. This is the wire to connectivity with computer. Please put this wire one side from here and this another one with your PC. These are the accessories of this unit. This is a 10 mm glass glass cuvettes, the 4 10 mm glass cuvettes, and the another one is 10 mm quartz cuvette. And this is software CD to install in your PC, and you can connect this instrument with your PC. This is the USB dongle and you can see, and please put this dongle in your PC when you connect your unit with software. This is a lock key. These are the two manuals. One is for software and the another one is for instruction manual. If you have any confusion to install this machine, you can read this manual. All things are very clear in this manual. Thank you very much.